Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacers, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007. With rich manufacturing and training experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales, BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and highest quality products and service. BONOSS Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacers have global pattern FT cooling design. The BONOSS FT cooling Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape, these grooves allows the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two type materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, and another is aluminum alloy 7075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And match ISO grade 10 lug nut. The matching inside the lug nut use 40 chrome material by continuous forging process, and match ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud. The material bolt use SCM Volvo 0 steel material. BONOSS has over 66 SGS wheel test reports. Also, BONOSS provides OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the wheel spacers complete in 3 to 7 days at the fastest, and you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3 mm to 160 mm and PCD-CP conversion. BONOSS has a complete Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacer production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustments. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our product and provide personalized solutions. After more than 100,000 measurements, we have got over 1,000 installation cases to share. Plus, we offer the newest models to help you stay ahead and grab market opportunities. We have stressed supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and has a good sales network in various international markets. Our BONOSS Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacers and make the wheel spacers safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS, who pass your view?